Yeah, this is funeral. Ghana funeral. Shea butter tree. Is this one also a wicked tree?
Yes, this is the parasite outside.
Killed the tree.
Yeah,
Like,
the cedar, see?
this is the cedar inside.
Now, see the tree here? The host is dead and gone. The one you see here
It's a parasite.
is the parasite tree left.
So you mean it killed the whole
Exactly. It
tree?
took 30 years to destroy that one. 30 years to kill the host. Inside, it got rotten and then falling out.
This is what the
So
parasite
this is the
tree.
parasite tree left.
Like it made it look ugly.
People climb from inside up to the top. You can go inside and you climb up to the top, you know.
Really?
Wow.
People climb this tree to go to the up. Can you see? But me, I'm not all about that right now.
As old as the cedar tree is 124 years old.
124
years old.
Wow.
Royal palm trees from upright to the bottom here. It's that Cuba palm trees.
Nutmeg.
Yeah, right one.
Wow.
For the one that's open, you can see some. Did you see some? These are not bad. It's small. Yeah. That is not bad. Yeah, yes. You see, you have to dry this before you get it out of the shell. The nut is in the shell. What's we use for bread, pancake, and stew. It's not only. It's
that
only,
white.
It's not only cooking. No. This is medicinal.
Wait, the particle inside, is it white?
Yes. The nut is white.
It's white.
Yeah.
You have to break it.
You have to yes, dry it and crack it open. So when you get dry, you make it a fine powder, add milk and little water and drink. You'll be able to sleep very well. Sometimes when you put this too much in your food, you feel sleeping. So you don't use nutmeg too much, otherwise you go to sleep. And it's good for arthritis as well, joint pains. Okay. You have to grate it, add coconut oil and rub the joint. Within 50 minutes, the pain is gone. This red thing is called mace, M-A-C-E, mace. They get red color out of this. We used to prepare stew and also for making pepper spray. You know, a lot of women use pepper spray today to defend themselves. This is very hot. You have to soak this in alcohol for 2 days. It will become very active.
To make pepper spray?
Yeah, and you sieve it and put in the spraying can. If anybody attempt to rob you, spray into the eye.
I need one of this one.
Okay.
Because cocaine has become very expensive today, a lot of people inhale nutmeg. This is drugs, so the nutmeg.
Yeah.
When you inhale it, within 5 minutes, it makes you crazy. So
Makes you crazy?
No, the nutmeg that you hold.
When you inhale it, it makes you crazy?
Yes, 5
Makes you
minutes
get
makes
high.
you crazy, makes you get high.
Really?
Yes, so this is drugs.
That crazy
Don't try
part
this.
is scary.
You're looking for it?
That crazy part is
You
scary.
mentioned something about joint pain.
I'm talking, yeah, try this. You have to grate the nutmeg, add coconut oil and rub the joint. Within 15 minutes,
The
it's gone.
fruit inside. The
Yes.
fruit inside.
Yes,
I need
yes.
them,
After
I
you
need
get
them.
dry, you
So
grate
can we
it.
go on with some to try it, like experiment it? Can we take some so that we experiment?
How are you going to get some now? It's
We'll
up.
block it now.
Even 2 females.
Male.
2 wives.
This is a female.
Through the roots. The roots are.
It's not easy. This one has a lot of fruit because it's close to the man.
That means they are mating in one way. There's some connection.
Man be married to wife. It is good for stomach ache. You have to chew only one seed to be fine.
What's it called?
Africa quinine.
African cornite. I don't think I've heard of it
Malaria.
before.
You boil this and drink. When you bite this leaf, you can't eat for
The
the whole
fine
day.
stick,
It's very bitter.
Fine stick.
But when you drink this, you can't what?
If you bite it, you can't eat for the whole day.
Are you serious? Why?
serious.
Because of the
It's
taste
very
of
bitter.
biting now.
Dada, try it. Let's see.
Let me
No, I
video
don't
you
want
so
you
you
to
try
eat.
it.
Why? Anything you taste will be bitter.
Yes, this is kuni.
quinine.
They used to make. Oh.
So can I put it in ogogo like alcohol for some days? Will it bring out the quinine? Like soak it in alcohol.
You can't drink. It to be bitter for you. Our place, when a woman gives birth, she's supposed to breastfeed the child for 3 years.
3 years.
Yes, if it is up to 3 years and the child feels once more, the woman cut this fruit and rub the breast.
If your child still wants more breast, you have
that as well. The boys are very stubborn. No? They grow full set of teeth, go out to play football, and still come home to suck breast.
Yeah.
Inside that
pot tree.
It's what?
Copper pot tree.
Copper pot tree. Copper pot tree.
Yeah.
So we don't eat this in Ghana.
Igbo.
We don't eat it.
Igbo people.
It's like earrings, right?
Igbo.
Yes.
Yeah, earrings is like this.
Igbo people, they will slice it.
No,
They put
Ugba.
oil.
Yeah.
Ugba. Now Igbo people food.
Some other countries they use this to make chocolate that we eat.
Chocolate. Wow. But
From Brazil.
Yes, monkey pot tree. Can you see the pot?
this monkey
The tree
pot
grows a
tree,
pot.
gotten from Brasilia.
Wow.
Wait, the tree grows a pot.
Can you see a pot?
Have you seen the pot? Yeah.
Yes.
Back this side you go see them.
I need
It's
to
very
zoom
sweet
in.
fruit. This is 144 years old, where where your people came to sign the peace agreement, Aburi Accord. See, this was where your people go on.
Can we go inside?
144 years. You can't go upstairs.
Okay.
So it's very weak.
It's very weak.
So you can fall.
Yes, when you step on it, you come down straight. This was where your people came to sign the peace agreement.
You mean the
Aburi Accord,
Nigerians?
yes, Yakubu Gowon and Ojuku. On top of this sanatorium, that in Aburi we stand no fight in Nigeria, 1967 January. On top of this place.
Igodo.
Jesus, this is not safe.
This is Igodo forest.
So what are we coming to see in this forest now? Jesus. I thought there's another road.
No, here that will go back.
No, don't tell us if we are going back from where we come from now.
I mean, we're not going back now.
Yeah, that's what I said now.
We're going to different town. This forest is 130 acres. People go for long. So the tree explained for us to understand how life is all about. When you look up, all the richest people are sitting on top, rich people, and then while poor people struggle at the bottom, you can see animals as well. That means in life, every living thing wants to be at the top. So you have to start life at the bottom. If you misbehave, you're going to remain down forever. Your children will not respect you if at the bottom. So you must work so hard before you be able to get to the top. And it's not easy to make money. We have two lazy guys that gave up. See these two guys. They've given up in life, no? So this will mean that no matter what you're going through in life, you don't give up. Just keep on moving. If you don't get up one day, that is the end of your journey. But as long as you have life, you have to keep on struggling. One day, you get to the top. Money is made from trees, but money doesn't grow on trees. So life begins here.
Life lesson.
This tree. Only God that knows the age of the tree. Only God.
Only God that knows
Because
the
they came to meet it. The British came here to meet it.
Wow.
No one planted the tree.
The British
That
came
is
here to meet
600
this
years
tree.
estimated. This was the first tree planted for shade from the US. This one, cypress tree, planted in 1875, 144 years old. So we have the oldest
This is the
tree
one,
and
the
the
first tree
next
planted here.
to each other.
And then this,
Oldest and the first tree.
the oldest tree.
The first and
Like they came here to meet this tree. That's how old it is.
Easy. Yeah?
came to Ghana ever. Donated by the Queen of
Donated.
Yeah, to Ghana Air Forces. The engine got spoiled in Accra in 1977 and they couldn't fix it. So it was brought in here for the kids who visits the gardens to play. After taking our gold, this was what they gave us.
After taking gold.
Our gold, yes. They cheated everybody all over the world.
Yeah.
Yes. So this doesn't look modern. The pilot sits on top of the engine and the rest at the back. It doesn't look modern at all.
Rollins.
19th October.
But the Rollins do well now.
1990.
Like she's nice.
You know, see the tree they grow.
29 years old.
If you do good thing, your things don't improve for God. Things will do. Even God thyself.
Christmas tree.
The president will die. Have you seen the light?
Oh, it's 72 years.
This is JJ Rollins.
That was used to welcome Jesus into Jerusalem.
Oh, this is a type of palm that was used
Hosanna
to.
palm, they used to welcome Jesus into Jerusalem. That's the mother of the ground. That's the child. The mother fell from that side on the ground when it was very little and refused to die. And then kept crawling on the ground.
Wow.
And then shoot off from that side. That's the roots that came up. So we have the child and the mother. The mother was brought from KwaZulu Natal, planted in 1895. That's South Africa.
South
That's
Africa.
124 years old.
124 years old. Now can you see how the tree is? That's the mother and the child. Beautiful.
Plant, I did there. Look, it's there. Everything died. Go see the one in Queen Elizabeth plant. You go see everything see the fresh tea now. So let's go and see Elizabeth home. Come. Take a view of the starboard. You understand? This one, Queen Elizabeth plant this one. You see how she fresh. Obasanjo and I plant that one. How many years now? You see this one, see the fresh. Tell me why English not going to sing Nigeria Jaga Jaga for a head. They're going to give Jaga Jaga people things the whole. They just give the head when he give Nigeria. He still carry a coin and go plant tree for Ghana. He still carry a coin and go plant tree for Ghana.
The power one, who they say the power one? Don't close. Blair, don't close. No, this one. Make us see. The power one some.